Good day, everyone. I'm here to work on an upgrade for a Dell M5010, also known as the N5010. The chassis is an M5010, and it has a motherboard actually from an N5010. There was a repair done, so the chassis was in good condition, and we needed to do this repair. And what we have here is to make this very simple and very concise, just to tell you what needs to be done, all right? First thing you want to do is you want to place your laptop upside down to get access to the multitude of screws that you will have to remove, okay? The second thing, of course, remove your laptop battery. Make sure to unlock it in this position and then use the other lever here to remove it, okay? I did this ahead of time so we don't have to have frustration and trying to do this. The next thing you want to do is you want to take out the memory cover. There's one screw there. And you want to take out the following screws. Along the front panel, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you want to take the 4 screws that are going to actually hold the hard drive inside. 2, 3, 4. There's also one right next to the hard drive that you will remove. And then you will work your way back into the memory area to remove the other one that's here. Do not remove the CD-ROM screw. It is not needed. And you will remove the last screw, which is located right on top area left side of the CD-ROM. Okay? After you have that done, then you can proceed to flip over the laptop. And we're going to make this short and simple, okay? There are 4 tabs, that you have to press a screwdriver or a very flat surface type of device and push forward, push forward, push forward, and push forward. Once you do that, then you can actually lift the keyboard from the device, and then there will be a ribbon cable. You must be very careful. On the bottom, you want to push forward so that you can have the metallic pieces that are held on the bezel, okay? Then you will want to remove the ribbon cable, okay? You want to lift the black lever upward, and then the ribbon cable will come out, okay? To make this faster, after that, there are going to be 5 screws in the bezel cover with the keyboard. 2, 3, and 4. These screws are marked as the M2.5 times 5. These are the same screws that we do see on the back of the laptop cover. You will remove the power ribbon cable. You will remove the status lights ribbon cable. And you will remove the ribbon cable for the trackball mouse. After you remove all 3 of those, then you can lift from the edges carefully until all tabs separate the bezel. Once that's done, you have access to your motherboard as well as the hard drive. By removing the 4 screws on the bottom, you're able then to take this hard drive out, and we can go ahead and install a new hard drive. This upgrade actually is a 250 megabyte hard drive, gigabyte hard drive to a 1 terabyte hard drive. There you can see this is an Intel motherboard. There's the Intel I/O chip as well, or video chip. The motherboard is different than the AMD motherboard, okay? And for those interested, then basically what we're going to do now after the hard drive is installed is you will place your cover. You will go ahead and use the 5 screws, which are the same as these screws here on the back, except those 4 that are different size for the hard drive. Then you will go ahead and proceed to put ribbon cable, ribbon cable, ribbon cable. Then you will take your keyboard, insert it where these tabs meet the edge of the front cover bezel. And then you work on here by placing the ribbon cable in its position. Make sure that you have the alignment correctly. And then you could close this up. Flip your laptop over. Proceed to install the screws that are very similar to the ones that were inside that model, the M2.5 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the 4 screws that are different size for the hard drive. Then you can proceed to close your memory cover. You can install your battery. And then after that, you can turn it over, power it on. If you do not have any power, maybe the ribbon cable for the power is not properly seated or installed correctly, so you must go ahead and redo the unopening. Okay, that happened previously. I am not the original owner, so I don't know what the original hard drive was in here, but this is what you would take care of so that you can have your Dell M5010 or N5010 up and running. Okay? You have a good day.